England's dominant 3-0 win over Wales in the recent friendly offered a clear reminder of the gulf that continues to separate the two nations. While such matches are rarely decisive, this performance highlighted England's depth, structure and quality, as well as Wales's ongoing challenges in matching those levels.
Yeah, first 20 minutes were tough. It's a very difficult place to come without starting the way we did. Made it very difficult for ourselves against, as we know, a very good opposition. With their intensity, physicality, they were able to push through that as well. And also, it was a tough period, I have to be honest. It was a tough period in the game. Not a tough period in life, Geraint, so be careful where you say, yeah, no, it was all good. But in that period it was. We had to suffer a lot of pain. It was difficult.
Even without several big names, England were composed, efficient and ruthless. Their goals came early, their control of possession rarely wavered, and their positional play showed a level of fluency Wales simply could not disrupt. The strength of England's system lies in its depth, as players can rotate without weakening the side. That's a reflection of years of investment in elite academies and national team pathways. The financial and developmental gulf is striking too. England's squad is valued around £1.4 billion, compared to Wales' £170 million. The historical record reinforces that the dominance, with England winning the vast majority of meetings between the sides.
Because they're very well drilled and very well coached, even in the deep build-up. So we still wanted to play a high pressing. We wanted to have a lot of ball wins, and we had it. Full credit to the team, because they bought into the ideas the last 1.5 days, into the changes that we had to make, because until now we only played against deep blocks. So first time that we were pressed high, so our deep build-up was good, our middle block, face in the middle block was good, our defending, our high pressing was excellent in the first half. And it takes a lot of effort to shut Wales down like this, because we saw what they did against Canada, we saw what they did in Belgium, and they were just excellent and had more ball possession, much more ball possession than the opponent. So it takes a lot of selfless work, it takes a lot of teamwork. And we did it again. We were very quickly 3-0 up. We could have scored more in the first half, especially. We could have scored in the first 15 minutes, I think. In the second half, we didn't. And then the game, it's a little bit difficult to understand the second half, the last half an hour. They made a lot of changes. We made a lot of changes, cost us a little bit the rhythm.
For Wales, this defeat was another reality check. The team started slowly, conceded early and struggled to find control in midfield or a cutting edge in attack. There were flashes of improvement after half-time, but by then the contest was already lost. Manager Craig Bellamy admitted his team got his backside kicked, underlining the difference in class and consistency. Wales's main obstacle remains squad depth. When key players are unavailable, replacements often lack experience at the top levels.
And the way we play, because we play a high back line, we push people on, then we have to shift across. But if we don't do all these moments and we create gaps, good teams will exploit those gaps, and good teams, especially at this level, have the speed to go and do something with those gaps. Lesser teams don't quite have the speed, so we can get away with it to a certain degree, but not against top teams. And first half, we've seen a top team, but also we've seen us stressed and not using the habits that we need to use against this type of team.
Ultimately, England's superiority reflects a broader footballing structure, while Wales face the long-term challenge of closing that systemic gap.